Welcome to Click Positivity. Have you ever felt trapped by fear? That moment when you hesitate, when self-doubt creeps in, and you start questioning yourself. You're not alone. Fear is something we all experience. But what if I told you that fear isn't something to avoid, but something to embrace? Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful self-help books of all time, Feel the Fear and Do It Anyway by Susan Jeffers. This book has transformed countless lives, helping people break free from the shackles of fear and take control of their destiny. And by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to overcome the fear of failure and step into a more confident, fearless version of yourself. So get ready, because this might just be the mindset shift you've been waiting for. Fear is hardwired into us. It's a survival mechanism. But in today's world, we're no longer running from wild animals. Instead, our fears manifest in the form of self-doubt, fear of failure, fear of rejection, and fear of the unknown. Susan Jeffers explains that fear doesn't go away. But our relationship with fear can change. Instead of seeing fear as an enemy, we must learn to see it as an ally. She introduces the concept of power versus pain thinking. Pain thinking keeps us stuck in fear, constantly worrying about what could go wrong. But power thinking, it shifts our perspective, allowing us to see possibilities instead of obstacles. Ask yourself, what would you do if fear wasn't holding you back? What dreams have you put on hold because of self-doubt or the fear of failure? The 5 truths about fear. One of the most profound lessons in this book is the 5 truths about fear. Let's break them down. 1. Fear will never go away as long as you continue to grow. The only way to eliminate fear completely is to stop growing. But that's not what we want, right? Growth means stepping into new challenges, and with that comes fear of failure. The key? Keep moving forward, despite it. 2. The only way to get rid of fear of doing something is to go out and do it. Think about a time you feared speaking in public, but after doing it once, it wasn't as terrifying the second time. Action is the cure for fear, including the fear of failure. 3. The only way to feel better about yourself is to face your fears. Confidence isn't something you're born with, it's something you build. And the only way to build it? By doing the things that scare you, even when overcoming the fear of failure feels impossible. 4. Not only are you going to experience fear whenever you step outside your comfort zone, but so is everyone else. Fear isn't personal, it's universal. Even the most successful people in the world feel fear. They just choose to act anyway. 5. Pushing through fear is less frightening than living with the underlying fear that comes from helplessness. Regret is scarier than fear. Imagine looking back on your life and realizing you let fear of failure hold you back. Isn't that a more terrifying thought than just taking the leap? Practical strategies to overcome fear. Now that we understand fear, let's explore practical ways to overcome fear of failure. Reframe fear as excitement. Physiologically, fear and excitement feel the same. Our hearts race, our palms sweat. Next time you're scared, try telling yourself, I'm excited, and feel the shift. Use positive affirmations. Say it with me. I am powerful. I am capable. I can handle anything that comes my way. Words have power. Use them to rewire your mindset and start overcoming fear of failure. Take action. Even if it's small, fear thrives in inaction. The moment you take even the smallest step forward, fear loses its grip. Ask yourself, what's one small action I can take today to overcome a fear of failure? Adopt a no-loss mindset. Jeffers emphasizes that no matter what happens, we either succeed or we learn. There is no failure, only feedback. Imagine what you'd do if you truly believed you couldn't lose and could conquer how to overcome fear of failure. Final thoughts. Fear isn't meant to stop you. It's meant to guide you. Every time you feel fear, it's a signal that you're stepping into growth. The question is, will you let fear control you? Or will you take control of your fear? You now have the tools. You understand that fear never truly disappears. But you also know it doesn't have to hold you back. So I challenge you. Do one thing today that scares you. Take that step. Make that decision. Start that journey and see how you can overcome the fear of failure. Remember, feel the fear and do it anyway. Keep shining, keep growing, and remember, positivity starts with you. Until next time, stay inspired and keep clicking towards positivity. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Click Positivity for more life-changing insights.